Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young man named Akbar. Akbar was known for his friendliness, and he had a bright future ahead of him. But as time went on, Akbar developed a habit that began to take over his life. He became addicted to his mobile phone. One day, Akbar's younger sister, Amina, decided to do something about it. Amina went to their grandfather, a wise old man who lived with them, and told him about Akbar's addiction. The grandfather nodded thoughtfully and decided it was time to intervene. That evening, the grandfather called Akbar into his room. He handed Akbar a small, beautifully carved wooden box. Akbar looked at it curiously.
Grandpa, what's this, a box?
Not just any box, Akbar. This is a treasure chest.
Treasure, but it's empty.
It's a treasure chest for something far more valuable than gold or jewels. It's meant to hold your time.
My time? How do I put time in a box?
Every time you feel the urge to pick up your phone, I want you to open this box. Imagine placing a few moments of your time inside, then close it. After that, think about what else you could do with that moment. Use those moments wisely, Akbar.
I'll try, Grandpa.
Next morning.
Wait, the box. The sunlight? I haven't noticed that in a while. Grandpa, I think I'm ready to return this to you.
Oh? Have you learned to treasure your time?
Yes, I've realized how precious it is. I've been missing out on so much because of my phone. Now, I want to use my time wisely.
I'm proud of you, my boy. Remember, time is the most precious thing we have. Use it wisely, and it will reward you in ways no technology ever can.
I understand that now. Thank you, Grandpa.